Heat pumps start losing their mojo and become less efficient when the outside temperature dips below about 20 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. So, when it gets cold outside, like in the low 20s or even colder, heat pumps have a tougher time pulling heat from the air to warm your home. The colder it gets, the harder they have to work, which means they use more energy and might not heat as well. One smart move is to keep your heat pump well maintained, with clean filters and regular checkups so it can perform its best even when it's chilly. Also, consider using a supplemental heating source if you live somewhere that regularly hits those freezing temps. Sealing up your home with good insulation and weather stripping can help keep the warm air inside and reduce how hard your heat pump has to work. You might want to set your thermostat a bit lower at night to save energy but still stay comfy. If you notice your energy bills spiking during cold months, it could be because your heat pump is struggling in the cold. Finally, some newer models are built to handle colder temperatures better, so upgrading could be worth it if you're dealing with really cold winters. One of the biggest mistakes people make with heat pumps in cold weather is ignoring the outside temperature limits, which leads to higher energy bills because the unit is overworking. Fix this by knowing your heat pump's cold weather range and having a backup heating system ready. Another common issue is not maintaining the heat pump properly. Dirty filters or blocked coils can make things worse in winter, so regular cleaning and service checks are key. Lastly, poor home insulation can make even the best heat pump struggle, so sealing leaks and adding insulation is a simple way to keep your house warmer without extra energy use. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. It also helps contractors find new jobs by matching them with people looking for reliable home services nearby.